Well guys, here's the biggest update of all on my fire alarm control panel. Are you ready to see it? As you can see, only the green light is on. So let's see if you don't know what that means. I'll be glad to show you. Ta-da! I've got batteries for my fire alarm control panel. They're universal batteries here. I just got them off of eBay here. I got a very good deal on them. They're 12 volt 5 amp hour batteries. It's very nice. And so I have cleared all my troubles on the fire alarm control panel. So figure we do a little quick test there too. But it is not going to be with the pull station. I got a System Sensor i3 2-wire smoke detector, and for the notification flags I just got my Spectre alert up there with the strobe only wired up. So we're going to set off the detector using the test button. As you can see, it's got the AC power light on here. I got the red light alarm flashing in zone 1. Got the strobe light flashing. Okay, let's silence the alarm. Okay, we'll silence that. Now let's reset the system. No buttons to push. Panel is reset and all systems are back to normal. So how I install these batteries is, when you're installing the batteries there, you gotta make sure you shut the main power off to the panel first before you install the batteries. And then after you've installed the batteries there, then you can power the panel back on. So this is my big update there with my fire alarm system here with batteries. All systems are normal. I've already got several system tests filmed, so the next system test there with my batteries there will not be till system test 13. I've already got system test 4 and 12 already filmed, and then when system test 13 comes, I will do a system test there with one on FWR voltage here and then one on filter DC. So that's my update. Take care, everybody.